everyone, I'm Sarah. Welcome back.
I love you, baby.
So today I'm doing a little airport get ready with me because I'm leaving New York and I need video content. And this is what first came into mind. Okay, so let's get started. The lighting in here is horrendous, but it'll just have to do. So I'm gonna start off this get ready with me by brushing my teeth and by washing my face. So let's get into it. Now that I have washed my face, brushed my teeth. Okay, we're gonna try that again. So now that I have washed my face, brushed my teeth, put on deodorant and perfume, I'm going to put on my airport outfit. So, this is my outfit. I'm wearing a huge sweater, Brandy Melville shorts, and a Brandy Melville tank top. This is just like super comfortable and it's my go-to comfy outfit. Now we're gonna move on to makeup. I'm not really like going out like I'm going on an airplane, but it's kind of nice to look presentable. So I'm just gonna do a little bit. My skin is pretty even and baked, like toasty. Alrighty, so I'm gonna use the milk cooling stick just because I am recovering from a nasty sunburn. So now I'm gonna put on a little bit of chapstick. Now I'm just gonna put on some concealer on little blemishes that don't make me look cute. I don't use powder. Like, if you want to know why I never use powder in my routines, it's because I like to have like the dewy look, so powder kind of sets it and gives it a more matte look, but I kind of like the sweat glow look, so I don't do that. I feel like I got tan and this concealer got really light, so that's unfortunate. I am going to do my eyebrows because they can use a little darkening right now. I found it. So I went looking for my grandma's cosmetics bag because she has a cream blush. And they just tend to last longer. And I'm going on a 5-hour plane flight, and that's necessary. My nose looks really red. So now I'm gonna use the Monisture waterproof mascara. It does its job for me, and it just stays on longer, which is definitely a good thing. I just spent like 10 minutes trying to pack up my suitcase because it wouldn't zip. This is the completed airplane look. It's hot. It's cute. It's casual. And this is what it is. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.